Make Russian-style borscht beet soup. Borscht is a Russian soup that is deep red and purplish in color because of the beet. There are also other variants of the borscht soup with tomato or sorrel as the main ingredients. This recipe will teach you how to make the Russian-style borscht beet soup. Follow the step-by-step instructions below. Ingredients that you need. You need 5 big onions, 2 potatoes, 5 carrots, 2 tomatoes, cabbage, 3 beets, 4 cloves of garlic, parsley, and a tablespoon each of salt, vinegar and sugar. Prepare the ingredients. Wash the potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, and beets. Peel the carrots. Chop the carrots, tomatoes, beets, potatoes, cabbage, and garlic. Fry the ingredients. Prepare a skillet and pan-fry the onions. This should take 5 minutes or so. Just cook the onions until they are golden brown in color. When the onions are ready, add the carrots and continue to fry for another 2 minutes. Toss the ingredients around the pan to keep them from sticking at the bottom. Add the tomatoes and beets next. Fry the ingredients for another minute. Then, add the vinegar. Mix the ingredients well and then cover the pan. Continue cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes and set the heat to low. Prepare the cooking pot. While waiting for the ingredients to cook, prepare a large cooking pot. Fill the pot halfway with cold water. Turn the heat on medium and allow the water to boil. This may take longer than usual since you are using cold water. Add other ingredients. When the water starts to boil, add the potatoes. Cook the potatoes for about 5 minutes until slightly tender. Do not worry if the potatoes are still quite hard since you will still be cooking the soup for a few hours. Add the cabbages into the cooking pot and then cook for 2 minutes. Afterwards, add the ingredients from the skillet into the cooking pot. Add the chopped garlic and parsley. Mix the soup and add a dash of sugar and salt. Taste the soup to know if you need to add more sugar or salt. Finish cooking. When you are happy with the taste of the soup, allow the mixture to boil again. This should take about 5 minutes or so. When it boils, turn the heat to low setting and cook for another 2 hours. Serve the soup. This variant of the borscht soup is best served hot. Serve the soup in a soup bowl and serve with some bread. Russians traditionally serve the borscht soup together with thick types of bread. These are the steps to follow in making hot borscht beet soup. You can add a bit of sour cream when serving the soup for more flavor. The cold version of the borscht beet soup is ideal to serve during the summertime. The main ingredient for the cold soup is also beet, but there are other ingredients added such as cucumber and eggs. You can check out the summer cold borscht recipe on the website Group Recipes.